Alright, let's do it. Quiz 4. Let's rock and roll. 4 skills, 5 skills. First question, it gives us a line and asking us to write the equation, use exact numbers. So we got 2 points. Let's go ahead and punch those points in. The first one is 0 for x, -1 for y. The second point is 3 for x, -5 for y. Make sure you pay attention to that. And then we need to sync this table up to y1 mx1 plus b. And we got a slope that's got crazy decimal. So let's go ahead and type that in and convert that. Hold that 3 button down till the fraction button goes away, then comes back. -4/3. So let's go ahead and start this with y equals the slope, which is -4/3, x, and the b value is -1. Okay, what is the equation written in standard form? So we've got standard form right here. Ax plus by equals c. Definitely not a. Definitely not b. Ax plus by and the c values on the wrong side. Here we got ax plus by equals c. Standard form. Here we got an easy graph and match. 5x plus 3y. I think I can copy and paste this. I'm gonna go ahead and try. Then just drop that in. Down here. Boom. Click on the y-intercept. Let's drop that point on 5 for y. And the x-intercept actually works, so I can just go ahead and use that. If I couldn't use that, I'd have to create another line with y equals, and then I would start searching for another coordinate point. Question 3, what is the slope of the line? So we go ahead and just get some of these numbers out of the way. This one, we just go ahead and type in the equation. And then these are all different slopes, and we know that slope is the m value. So if we type in an equation that says y equals m, we can compare the lines. So y equals 1/2. But here we're not getting our slope because we forgot the x. So if we get the x, that's important. Then we get our line and we can see the slope. We can see these two lines have different slopes. So we'll try 1/5. These lines have different slopes. They're crossing each other. Lines that have the same slope don't cross like that. Let's try 2. Boom. And then you can see here, these two lines have the same slope because they're going up and over the same amount. They're parallel. Parallel lines have the same slope. Don't forget that x. Here we're in point slope form. Point slope form is y minus b equals x minus a. Sorry, equals m times x minus a. So the first part is we need to find the m value. I should just type it in here. By punching in the coordinate points. Five, 2. Boom. Look down on the regression equation. M is 0.75, so we can replace m with 0.75. And then a comes from one of these coordinate points. Since they use -1 for b, that's the y value. I look for the coordinate point that has -1, that has 2 for the y value, -1 for the y value right here, which means a is the x value. So a is 1. Boom. Done.